Hi guys, this is Alice from Straight Code. Today I'm going to show you how to work with CSV using Python. I'm going to show you three things. First, how to read a CSV file. Second, how to create your CSV file. And third, how to write in an existing CSV file. So first I'm going to show you how to read a CSV file in Python. Right now I have a folder called CSV example, and inside I have example 1 as a CSV file. So there are some random data and I won't be able to access that using Python. So I'm using Spider and Python 3.6 here. The first thing you want to do is to import CSV. And after you have that, you want to open the file by typing open the string of your file name. So in this case, it will be CSV example1.csv, comma, and then you can specify the mode you want it to be open with. So I would do RT, R standing for reading, and T is for text mode. And after you have that, you wanted to create my reader, which is equal to csv.reader of f. And so from this point on, you can print it out, or row in my reader, you can say print row. Okay, so this should give you the access of your CSV file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to write your own CSV file from scratch. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is import CSV, like earlier if you have not done that. And I'm going to create a list that is example here. So next you wanted to open a new file. So I'm going to call my new file .csv, and then you want to specify the mode, and in this case it will be W for write, and you want to do encoding UTF-8, comma, and new line as CSV file. And right here, you want to do writer equals to csv.writer and CSV file. Writer row of your target list. Write row. So now if you search for your new file, you'll find it here. So here's your CSV file you just created, called new file with the list we just put in there. And that is how you write a new CSV file. So if I do the same thing again with a different list, what will happen is the file name new file will be erased and a new one will be created. So in some scenarios, people might want to keep the old file and continue to write new lines in the old file. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so remember this is our CSV example. What we're trying to do is to continue to write after these lines ended. So our new data should appear in line 21. Next, you wanted to open the CSV example1, CSV, and this time you wanted to put the mode as A. So A means open for writing, appending to the end of the file if the file already exists. Okay, and as CSV file. And the same way you create the writer earlier, you do csv.writer of CSV file and writer.write row, and you will append your target lists again. If you get permission denied in Windows, a lot of time it's because your file still open somewhere else. So I just close that and I'm going to run that again. Now if I open the file, oh, I had appended a string of target lists. So to fix that, it's not a string here. Okay, now again, if I open, you see that we have appended our target list here on the last available rule. That was how you can write it in the existing CSV file. It will always go to the last row. And so far we have covered how to read CSV file, write new CSV file, and write an existing CSV file. Now, if you want to download this script, you can go to my website, and I hope you guys find this video useful. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.